How to fix Everyplate meal kit missing items. Here, the very first thing you want to do is inspect your full box contents. You can actually try to unpack all of your insulation layer and receive bags completely. Small items often slip through the bottom, so make sure to inspect your box contents fully and be sure that you actually don't have that item. So after doing that, you can simply try to log into your application just like this, and if it's still missing, then you can simply tap on your profile icon right here from where you actually be able to get into account settings or your order history, and then you can report the missing ingredient. You can select the affected delivery box and you can tap on the report an issue and select the missing items, and you'll be able to report the missing ingredient or the recipe missing to automatically receive a self-service credit applied to your next box. And I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix that Everyplate meal kit missing item like that.